Yes, we are live. I can't believe it. Wait, we do it every day, so I can't believe it. August bodycoding live. New Budok every day. Remember, you see, we do no excuses. Chi. You ready? Today, a new combination between cross C2 and top 5. First watch, then we do it together. Let's go. Again. Yeah, let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. Let's go. Yes, do it with me. We can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We cross, we open, we cross to the back, tap to the front, step to the back on the balls of the feet, and step in place. Now the same with the right. Cross, open, cross to the back, tap to the front, step to the back, and step in place. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Looking good. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You know what? Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah! Yes, this is the move. This is the combination. But you know what? The more you practice, the better you get. Right? So let's practice some more. How do we do that? Let's do it face to face. Yes, I want to see you. Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. You ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Starting with the left. Let's go. We cross. We open. Cross to the back. Tap. Step to the back. And step. Now, we cross. Open. Cross to the back, tap to the front, step to the back, and step. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah! You know what? Let's add something. Are you ready? Let's play with the angles. Yeah, 45 here and 45 here. Let's do it together. We're going to start. Instead of facing forward, we're going to face 45 angle. Yeah. We're going to 1, 2, 3, facing there, and then facing forward. 5, 6, 7. Again, face them. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 6, 7. A bit faster. You look like that. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah. We're gonna face 45. We're gonna step. Face 45. Yeah. Tap to the front. Yeah. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is the move with some tips for the angles. 45 angles. Try to play with these moves. Because remember, these are universal moves. You can use them any kind of dance that you want. Yes, I'm serious. Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Samba, Semba, Salsa, hip hop, and many more. By the way, salsa, you can do them on 1 and on 2. Why? because you can start with the right or with the left. And for the same reason, it doesn't matter if you're doing the women's step or the men's step, because all these footworks are symmetrical. You can do them with the right and with the left, and they look exactly the same from both sides. The same, I checked, trust me. So remember, these are universal moves. And more than that, remember to practice and then practice and then practice even again. Because repetition, 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 repetition is the mother of skill. Yeah. So make sure to practice today. And the second reason is you have a new footwork tomorrow. Because this is Marcus Body Coding. New footwork every day. Yeah. Marcus Body Coding. So I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow, right? For the new footwork, of course. See you tomorrow and have an amazing day.